I didn't know nothing about HVAC. When I came here in Tulsa, I was just open-minded.
It was really, I don't know, it was a really good environment. All the instructors were really easy to get along with.
They were really hands-on to teaching you and explaining things to you, but they were also willing to show you how pieces of components would work.
I'm more hands-on, visual learner, person that's gonna throw me in the fire. You know, the teacher's gonna throw me in the fire and do that. You know, and that's why I came to Tulsa and I was like, I can do it.
I like the school because the more you put yourself into it, the more you try to get out of it, the more you will.
They weren't making it so hard for nobody at all. You have to be committed, you have to be consistent. Focus on your end goal.
They cut out all the filler. There's nothing that you take in a Tulsa curriculum that you're not actively using to help improve your career. It was so much more streamlined and so much more focused on getting you out and on to the next phase of your life.